In the heart of the Sat Sanskar School campus stands a striking rectangular building painted in bold hues of red and white. The spacious ground, expansive area, clean lines, and symmetrical design give the place a sense of order and discipline, the values deeply embedded in the school's philosophy. Within this structure lies the central courtyard, a vibrant space that comes alive each day with energy and determination. In the morning, as the sun casts its golden glow over the courtyard, students of Sat Sanskar gather in neat rows to practice karate. Dressed in crisp white uniforms, they move with focus and precision, their movements sharp and rhythmic. The sound of synchronized shouts echoes between the walls, a sign of the students' dedication to both physical fitness and mental discipline. Karate at Sat Sanskar is more than a sport, it is a practice that instills respect, confidence, and self-control. Under the guidance of experienced instructors, students learn to channel their energy, overcome fear, and develop a strong sense of character. The red and white structure surrounding them serves as a constant reminder of strength and balance, just like the values karate teaches. In this vibrant and sun-drenched courtyard, surrounded by the bold colors of purpose, pride, and perseverance, the indomitable spirit of Sat Sanskar thrives with every powerful kick, disciplined punch, and respectful bow. Echoing with the rhythm of determination and the energy of youthful ambition, this sacred space becomes a living canvas where tradition meets strength and values are forged in every breath and movement. The karate practice sessions nurtures leadership, self-awareness, and resilience. Sat Sanskar's approach ensures that students grow into capable individuals with solid values and a balanced spirit. Sat Sanskar's approach to education focuses on the all-round development of its students. By combining academics with activities like karate, the school nurtures both mental and physical growth. Karate, in particular, instills discipline, focus, and self-confidence. These qualities extend beyond the training ground into the classroom and daily life. Students learn to respect others, face challenges with courage, and remain calm under pressure. This balance of strength and humility helps to shape well-rounded individuals. Through consistent practice and value-based learning, Sat Sanskar prepares students not just for exams but for life, helping them grow into responsible, capable, and principled young leaders.